As we move forward, may we carry this mindset with us to continue improving our skills with humility and to show respect not because we expect it in return, but because it defines who we are as riders and as individuals. May I also remind everyone to let us choose to use what we've learned. Let us choose to protect, not to endanger. Let us choose to respect, not to dominate. Most especially, let us never abuse what we earn today. Let us use this to build respect, not fear. Friends, not enemies. And as the rose among the thorns, sir, ma'am, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my classmate and upperclassmen whose respect in me is utmost. You help me in ways that you don't know, sirs. Thank you so much po, sir. No further words, sir.